Making potato pancakes is a family tradition and a labor of love. The process from start to finish takes about an hour. We start by cleaning russet potatoes with a potato scrubber. We use russet because they're high in starch and low in moisture, creating the perfect crunchy texture. Next, we divide the potatoes into 2 equal portions and cut each potato into small enough pieces to fit into the mouth of a food processor. Then we peel and quarter the onion and divide the onions into 2 equal portions with the potatoes. Using a food processor puree attachment, we puree the first half of the potato and onion together. Then we place the pureed potato and onion into a sieve or colander to drain the liquid. Next, use the food processor shred attachment to shred the other half of the potatoes and onions. Then place the shredded potato and onion into a sieve or colander to drain the liquid. Squeeze out as much liquid from each of the potato and onion blends as you can. Then pour each potato and onion mixture onto a cheesecloth or flour sack towel and squeeze out any remaining liquid to ensure the crispiest latke possible. In a large bowl, combine the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper, and then mix in the 2 beaten eggs. Stir in the potato and onion mixtures to the flour and egg mixture and thoroughly combine. I like to use my hands to make sure everything is evenly coated. Then heat half a cup of canola oil. When the oil surface looks like it's moving, it's ready to start frying. Use a rounded tablespoon measure to drop the batter into the pan and slightly flatten each pancake into a disc with the back of a tablespoon. When the edges of the pancake are brown and crispy, about 2 to 3 minutes, flip. Cook until the second side is browned, another 2 to 3 minutes, and then transfer onto a paper towel-lined plate or cooling rack. Top your latke with sour cream, plain Greek yogurt, applesauce, or spiced almond peach sauce, and enjoy.